Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 467 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out this Il Makiage. I'm most likely pronouncing that incorrectly, but this is the Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara that I got in my May Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. So if you want to see my unboxing of that, I will link that video down below. And so this is a brand that I have never heard of before. So I love when I get to try out products from new brands throughout this trying a new makeup product everyday series. And the fact that there are still so many brands that I haven't tried yet in 467 days is exciting to me, because that just means that there's so much more makeup for me to try. But if you've ever tried anything from this brand, I would love to know about it in the comments down below. So this mascara is supposed to lift, curl, and lengthen, which sounds perfect. It's also supposed to be lightweight and not clump. And this retails for $25, which makes this one of the most expensive mascaras that I'm ever trying. So here we have really nice packaging. And let me show you the wand. So this is actually my favorite type of wand, where it's oval shaped and it's silicone and it has those short bristles. And so I'm just gonna go right ahead and start applying it. I didn't curl my lashes because I wanted to be able to see the curl that this mascara gives on its own. I also did not prime my eyelashes, but every day I will prime my lashes using the Lancome primer, and I love that primer. I will link that video down below as well if you want to see that. But gosh, this is right away looking so good because it's keeping the lashes separated and fanned out, which I love that look. I don't like my lashes to clump and stick together because then it looks like I have way fewer lashes than I actually do. Like, this mascara is coating each lash individually, which is what I love. And so with that first layer on, the difference between my eyes right now is already so great. There's definitely curl to my lashes and there is volume, but I'm going to go in with another layer and see if I can build that volume up any more. Okay, yes, that volume is definitely buildable, but I am noticing as I continue to add the mascara, it does cause the lashes to start sticking together. So I don't want to layer on too much because I want to be able to keep that separation of the lashes. But I'm really impressed by the lift and curl that this mascara is giving my lashes. Like, this is more lifting and curling than I normally get when I use a lash curler. So this is really cool. So let me do a zoomed in view so that you can see the difference between my eye with and without this mascara. It's really performing up to my expectations, up to my hopes. It's looking perfect. It's so good. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the other eye and come back with my final thoughts. And then I'm just gonna throw a little bit onto the lower lash line. And this wand is also great for those lower lashes. It's not getting it all over my under eye, which I appreciate. Okay, so now the mascara is applied and I am really happy with it. It really did give my lashes length, curl, volume. It's fully black. So I am so happy about this. This is definitely going to become my new daily mascara. And I'm so happy that I got this in my Ipsy box, because really this cost right here is $25. That's the same as the price of the box. So I got this plus everything else I got in the box for $25. So I feel so lucky to get this. It's definitely worth the high-end money because it really does perform so well. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.